your job title is?
My name is Ronda Colby. I work at the Bismarck, Burleigh County Courthouse, and my job title is Official District Court Reporter.
Tell us about your education.
My education consists of an Associate in Applied Science degree from the University of Minnesota Crookston.
And can you get that degree in North Dakota?
Not in North Dakota at this time. We have a school right now in South Dakota that offers the program along with Minnesota.
What do you do in your job?
I am the guardian of the record. I take down the proceedings verbatim so that later on a transcript can be produced for use on appeal or in other court proceedings.
How many hours do you normally work?
I work 8 to 5, 5 days a week, 40 hours a week.
Do you take work home with you?
It's pretty rare that I have to take work home with me, although sometimes an occurrence may arise where that is a possibility.
How would you describe the pace at which you work?
The pace at which I work varies tremendously. We have different calendars that we have to cover and work with different judges. And our calendar is different from day to day, week to week. So it's a large variety.
How has your education prepared you for your career?
My education prepared me for my career in a variety of ways. First of all, and most importantly, the machine. You have to work on the machine the most in order to become a court reporter. And then we covered a broad range of subjects from medical terminology to legal terminology and just all your generals.
Have you worked in other jobs like this?
I have worked in other jobs. Before becoming an official court reporter, I was a freelance court reporter. So I would work in lawyers' offices instead of in the courthouse. And then before that, I was a medical transcriptionist. So I would take down doctor's notes and produce them into a written form. So,
why did you choose this career?
I chose court reporting after a visit to my high school from the local court reporter. I was a very good typist and enjoyed shorthand at that time, and I thought, well, it would be something interesting, something new and different each day that I could really enjoy. I like the variety of subjects and the legal field, but yet I didn't want to become a lawyer. I didn't want to go to school to become a doctor or for that long, and so I thought, well, this would be the best way for me to get into a career.
What goals do you have in your career?
Goals for my career consist of different certifications. Right now, I'm a registered professional reporter along with a certified real-time reporter. There is another designation called a registered merit reporter, and that you have to have so many years of experience before you can even take the exam. So my goal would be to become a merit reporter someday.
What do you think it takes to be successful in this career?
To be successful in this career, you have to be detail-orientated. You really need a good grasp of English language. You have to have endurance, especially very good listening skills, grammar, punctuation. All these things play a factor in my job. Most importantly is the technology right now with real-time, where we're constantly connecting to our computers and instantaneously almost producing a transcript for use in the court.
Do you travel for your job?
I do travel with my job. As an official court reporter, we have a district where we go to different courthouses, and that is not the case in each district, but in our district we do travel to different courthouses.
Do you work independently or on a team? And if you do work on a team,
I work with both. We have 8 judges here, and so occasionally people will be on vacation or sick, so we fill in for other judges. So we do work as a team in that regard. But individually, I do work with my judge right now, and most of the time work and cover her calendar. So.
And any advice that you would give to maybe a high schooler who thinks they might be interested in this career?
Any advice? Well, I think court reporting is very rewarding. It's very challenging and exciting. It can be covering all sorts of things, so it's something new every day. It's not monotonous in any respect. There's lots of different avenues you can go with court reporting. There's freelance work, there's official work, there's also working as a cart provider, so you would work in a classroom setting. There's webcasting that they're doing right now. There's lots of different avenues you can go with court reporting.